Hello and namaste everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motomats. I'm your Radar Madi. In this video I'm going to show you the most essential accessory installation for the touring bikes, that is aux lights from Mad Dog. This is Scout model. Nowadays most of the bikers are liking and willing to own these aux lights for their bikes for whatever purpose it is. I request you to watch this video till the end to understand and to know how to install these aux lights on your bikes without depending on the technician. And also most of my videos are in Telugu, only these kind of small informative vlogs I will be making in English, so you can subscribe based on your interest. So let's get into the closer view of unboxing of this Mad Dog Scout aux lights. I have owned this Mad Dog Scout model. Mad Dog has 4 models with them: Scout, Scout X, Delta and Alpha. Scout is said to be the basic model and Alpha is the costlier model of Mad Dog. This Mad Dog is completely made in India and it has manufacturing unit in Bangalore itself. So I really proud to own this Mad Dog aux lights for my Dominar purpose. Actually I have owned this basic model only because I do have Bajaj Dominar and it has a very good light throw, but only during in highways and dark modes I really require this kind of aux lights. So let's unbox this Mad Dog Scout model. So this is the size of the light. Actually I felt like owning HJG, but it was looking huge, so this is the model which I choose to own. It has 3 LED lights in this. These LED lights are from Osram, which is said to be the best in lighting segment, and it throws the light for 150 meter distance. So let's check after installing this on our bike. Let's see what are the parts are there in this. We have 2 clamps for this both the lights, and also 2 cut section wires are there. We can use it for another wiring harness also. So this one cost around 2750 rupees for us. And also we do have this Mad Dog sticker with us. So this is about the lights. The construction of the Mad Dog lights is completely aluminum body and the front portion is polycarbonate. It really looks sturdy and the quality is the top notch, I can say. So let's keep this aside. Now let's get into the wiring harness. This lighting setup completely waterproof setup. So the wire quality is also a top notch. I really like the quality of the wire. See this wire is completely protected with the external nylon kind of conduit wire. This is our fuse box of 10 amps, I guess 10 amps. It has, let's see, open this. It has 10 amps fuse in this, and this is 40 amps relay setup. It has got some external clamps also, positive and negative terminals for batteries. One wire goes into the ignition of the bike, and these are the connectors for our lights. Even this contains this Mad Dog sticker. I'll stick these stickers on my bike. The quality of the sticker is really good and it's attractive also. People should not say I'm a Mad Dog. So this is about the wire harness. This wire harness cost us 999 rupees. Let's keep it aside. And this is the basic model of Mad Dog switch. It costs us 499 rupees. Even it has some advanced model of 1499 rupees. Switch gets warranty of 6 months. This complete lighting setup gets warranty of 1.6 months. I mean 18 months. They are so confident on the product that they have given another year of warranty. See this, the quality of the switch is also a top notch. It illuminates with the red color. Every accessory has some external wiring setup. Even if you could not able to buy this harness, we can use some other wire harness also. So this is about switch, and this is the filter setup of our aux lights. It costs around 599 rupees. Let's open this. Actually I have checked all these prior to opening this unbox. These are the 4 numbers of rubber covers. We can directly use like this, or else we can also keep this rubber cover on our aux lights after inserting these filters. Let's open the filter box. I have not opened it yet. See this? It contains 2 numbers of yellow films, yellow glasses. All are polycarbonate. These are 2 dummies. We can use it in cities. In most of the cities, traffic police are restricting use of the aux lights. At that time we can use it, these kind of dummies for our aux lights, and 2 numbers of clear filters. Quality of these filters also really good. I don't regret to spend 6,000 rupees for these aux lights, for the quality they are providing, and also the and also 18 months warranty for these aux lights. See how it looks. We have to insert these filters into the slot provided. So let's do this work while installing all these accessories on our bike. So I'll explain you any technical details which I missed while installing these accessories on my Dominar. So without wasting time, let's get down and fix it on our Dominar. I forgot to mention, we do require this kind of clamps which costs around 1200 rupees to fix on any kind of bikes, but I have owned this rod from McDeal which costs around 500 rupees. This is specifically designed for Dominar only. So now I am unboxing this. This will be useful for the Dominar owners. I am unwrapping it, not unboxing. Already unboxing has been done while I have owned this McDeal top rack. So this is how it looks. This rod gets fixed beneath our Dominar headlight, and both the lights get fixed into these holes. We do got these 2 bolts also. These are 6 mm into 25 mm length. So whatever, I'll show you while installing on our bike. So let's go to our Leo. This is my Leo. Last time I have ordered Autofy aux lights and also Vaishno wire harness from Amazon. This Vaishno harness costed me around 978 rupees. The quality of the harness is really good, but in Autofy package few of the clamps were missing, so I have returned it back. Now I have gone with the Mad Dog aux lights. Now I am removing this Vaishno harness, and I will be using this for my FZS. For connecting the wire harness, we need to open the headlamp setup and connect it to the ignition of our Dominar. I have already done that. So now I am just connecting the Mad Dog wire harness to this wire. Again, opening the headlamp and connecting to the ignition is really such a hard work. So I am not doing that. I am just connecting the Mad Dog wire harness ignition wire to the same harness which I opened last time. To fix the aux lamps, I have ordered this aux light rod from the McDeal. It costed me around 500 rupees and it weighs not more than 200 grams. This is not a solid rod. This is a hollow rod with plastic end caps. So we just need to fix it beneath our headlight. This is specifically made for Dominar only. For this we need to open the winglet. So I am telling goodbye to my winglet to fix this. I do have a videos of each and every accessory of my Dominar in my channel. I am giving all the links in my description. Now I am connecting this ignition wire to the Vaishno wire I have already installed last time, and also this waterproof clamp goes into the switch connector. To fix this relay and fuse and all this wiring, we need to open the tank and seats together. So now I am doing all this in my nest clips. I have opened this tank and seat and routed this wire from beneath the tank like this, and now I am connecting these positive and negative terminals to the battery. They have given this hole to fix somewhere else, but I am not getting any place to fix this, so I am just leaving like this in between the battery terminal. So I'm going to fix the positive and negative terminals now. After that, I'm assembling the complete tank and seats. Then we will fix the lights on our Leo. So unnecessarily I have opened complete fuel tank and tank cover also. Basically we just required to open this tank cover to route the wiring harness. So now I am replacing this winglet with this aux light rod. This is how the wiring harness looks. These are the 3 cables. These 2 goes into the lights and this 3-pin connector goes to the switch connector. I just taken the wiring from inside the tank and seat and connected to the battery terminal. Let's replace this. For any modification, I do use this Stanley toolkit. You can check the video of this. So this is how it looks after fixing this rod. As I told you before, it is just a 200 grams, less than 200 grams, a hollow rod, and it really looking perfect on the Dominar. Let's fix the Mad Dog lights now. To connect this light to the clamp, they have given 6 mm countersunk bolts and also 8 mm bolt to fix the light on this rod. Let's do that. Mad Dog has given these bolts which is of length around 15 to 20 mm, but these are not sufficient to fit in this slot. So I am using 35 mm length M8 bolts for my purpose, which are there along with me when I bought this Zana crash guard. This is how I fix the clamps at the both side. Now I will fix the light on the clamp. We'll see that. Now I fixed both the aux lights. See how cute it looks, isn't it? Now let's fix the wiring harness to the clamp here. This is completely waterproof one. You can see the yellow rubber here to protect water entering inside the wiring joint. We just need to push this connector into the female connector here. Let's do that. This is how I connected the connectors at the both sides. I will do routing of the wiring at the end of the video. Now let's connect this 3-pin switch to the Mad Dog Pro switch. Now my bike looking absolutely cool with this Mad Dog lights, and we are going to fix this Mad Dog switch on my bike. For this they have given 2 clamps. One is to fix along with the 6 mm bolt. The second one is 90-degree angle clamp. This can be used with the mirror of the bike. I am going to use this clamp for my Dominar. For this they have given 4 mm Allen bolts on this Mad Dog switch. We have to fix the clamp here. Let's do that. These are 3 mm bolts. For this we require 2.5 mm Allen key. We have fixed the clamp here. Now let's fix it on the mirror. I have shifted my Bobo mobile holder from left to right side and fixed this switch on the left side mirror. Actually it is glowing. I'll show you in the dark mode also. Now let's look into the filters of the aux lights. These are the filters which we received from the Mad Dog. These 2 are the dummy filters. We can use it in the cities. And these are the yellow filters. I will show you how to fix this. They have given these slots. Here also we have some slots here. You just need to push it off. This is how it looks. Now we'll go into the dark mode. I mean, we will wait till the dusk and I will show you how it performs in the night mode. Now I am shooting this in normal light. See this is low beam, high beam, and now we will see the Mad Dog lights performance. This is how it looks in the normal lighting. Low beam and light of the Mad Dog lights. Now we will go to the dark area and See the performance of this Mad Dog aux lights. Now we are at the darkest area. Let's start the bike and we will see the low beam. This is Dominar low beam and high beam. You can see the lights performance. This is actually good. I don't have any issue with the Dominar light, but I really need proper lights during touring in the mountains and highways also. Now let's see the Mad Dog's lights performance. See this. It looks perfect, right? Wow. With just 10 watt each light, this is the result. Really cool. Low beam. Perfect. Now let's check the light performance with the yellow filters. Now starting the engine. High beam, low beam, high beam, and now yellow filter. Wow, even it is looking good. I really liked its illumination. I'll definitely recommend this product. Perfect. So with this, I have completed installation of this Mad Dog aux light on my Dominar. Leave me a like if you like the content, and also let me know if you have any queries in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Instagram as moto.mads. I am keeping all the links of the accessories which I kept on my Dominar in the comment section below, in the pinned comment and also in the description. That's about this video. See you in the next vlog. Jai Hind.